Good morning, everybody. This is Jake Easter down at MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Wanted to bring you a new listing of mine. This is Godspeed. This is a 2021 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. The boat comes with the trailer, so it's a nice hook and roll if somebody's looking to take you somewhere else aside from Florida. Step aboard, let's take a look. Starting on the back, this one's equipped with dual power poles, twin 300 Mercury's. It's got about 236 hours on it. Nice sea deck throughout the entire boat. It's everywhere from bow to stern. The upholstery is in great shape. One thing I love about the 270 is how high it is on my back. Very comfortable when you're cruising. Just flip this down. You have sea deck all on this casting platform here on the back, rod holders, things of that nature. You got a Yeti igloo cooler that'll pull out here underneath behind the console. Have a live well, freshwater sink. And one of my favorite options that they offer on the Dauntless series is a swim patio. It's a great way to get in and out of the water, let your kids jump in and off the boat. Have a manual sunshade on the top to keep you covered if you are hanging out for long extended periods of time out on the water. Walking up to the helm, nice twin bolsters. The upholstery's in great shape for a 2021. Twin Garmin displays. You got a 4-inch vessel view to give you access to all your engine diagnostics. Garmin VHF fusion stereo, and then your main toggle switches. But it's also got trim tabs. You've got an onboard battery charger on the boat as well. As you make your way to the front, big pad here on this 270. One of my favorite features is how big the lounger is in front of the console. Plenty of storage. You've got your filler cushion for the front. All the wings on both sides for lounging capabilities. More storage under the seats. Access to your anchor winglets. This also does have poles for an awning that'll put to the hardtop. And you also have a Garmin radar on top of this thing. So again, this is Jake Easter down at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. This is a new look at my 2021 270 Dauntless listing. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 336-972-8917. We'll see you on the water.